Hey everyone, so I'm back for another video. I did a video yesterday of the unboxing from Goulet Pens of the Monteverde Mazza Crystal Clear Fountain Pen. So yesterday I received another package from Goulet Pens, and this will be an unboxing of the TWSBI Eco in transparent blue, the special edition, in a medium fine with a ink. So this is the package that came in. I haven't looked at the pen or anything. I just covered my address and make sure everything is in there. And it comes in another priority mail USPS box as well. So I'm really happy that I decided to get this pen. Been looking at the TWSBI Eco, at least the TWSBI line, for like a while now, and especially the Eco and the Go. And I don't really like how the Go looks, but I really like how the Eco looks. And they TWSBI came out with a transparent blue with a special edition. They come out with special edition color pens for TWSBI every so often. So blue is one of my favorite colors, and purple. So I was like, oh, I should get it now before they sell out. And I'm really hoping that they come out with a transparent purple. That'll be really nice. So I'm just gonna take the stuff outside of the box. And as always, you get a Tootsie Pop, and this time I got let's see, it'll focus, a cherry. I think the other day I got a grape. Alright, so put that to the side. So I'm just gonna take my packing slip out. I got the Monteverde Ocean Noir ink bottle, and then the TWSBI Eco fountain pen in transparent blue, special edition. The ink was on sale for I think 10% off, but the pen wasn't. So with tax and shipping, it came out to that much, which is the most I spent so far. So I received another little package showing who packed up my item. This time it's Christopher C. And then I received another card. Thank you, from Cindy. And this time it is a picture of mountains, which is really nice. So I plan on keeping this. And this nice. Okay. So the ink is wrapped up in like a blue shrink wrap, just to make sure it doesn't leak out. But I am gonna open the pen first. So I'm just gonna put this to the side. I'm really excited about this pen. As you can see, it's the TWSBI. I'm not sure if it'll focus. Yeah, TWSBI Eco Piston Filler Fountain Pen in medium. I was deciding if I wanted a medium nib or an extra fine, because they were out of the fine. And I looked at a bunch of videos on what's the difference between the extra fine and the medium nib, and at least from the videos that I saw and the writing samples that I saw online, the medium nib is on the finer side, I believe. I could be wrong. So it's not that big a difference between a fine nib and a medium nib. I think when you go from fine to medium to broad, then that's a bigger difference. But from the fine nib to a medium nib, it's a slight difference, but not dramatically. And I really wanted a fine nib in the transparent blue. Maybe one day I'll get that, but I do plan on getting the fine nib in the regular clear TWSBI Eco at some point. So, I mean, you guys all have saw these unboxings with TWSBI. Comes in a box with their logo on it. well, the outer box. And then it comes in a acrylic case that says Eco on it. Well, not every TWSBI pen will have, they'll probably say like mini or whatever the other TWSBI brand pen, but this one says Eco. And it's gonna open this up. So yeah, I'm really excited to ink this up. I might ink this up during the unboxing, because I didn't ink up the Monteverde one, which so far at the time when I inked it up and everything, it was great. It was a really fine nib, a little scratchy. I might at some point smooth that out, I believe it's called, smooth out the nib. But then after writing a letter to my friend, it completely stopped on me. I don't know, and it's still ink in it. I don't know if the way I had it laid down, I had it laid down just flat or what. So I'm going to try to see if I can figure out what's wrong with it. Or if I need to fill it up more, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to open it up like this. Let's see. Oh, and the back has instructions. Well, it shows what the pieces of the pen on the back of it. Up. So the first thing that's on top, this little fold out, and I believe these are instructions on how to fill the pen up, disassemble it, and reassemble the pen. You wouldn't need to disassemble it at this point, because it should be fine. Only time when you have to is if the piston filler gets stuck, or it's not working properly, or if ink gets dried up in there, depending on the type of ink that you use. So it should be fine right off the box. So this is the box right here. Let me move this down a little more. So this is the box right here, and it comes with how to fill it. Comes with a wrench and silicone grease. So this is the silicone grease right here. A cute little bottle. Silicone with a wrench. Let's see if I get that down. Yep. Comes with a wrench that says TWSBI on it. And here is the pen. Wow, it's really nice. I'm so glad I got it. Transparent blue. It's not heavy, but it has a good weight to it. TWSBI on it. This is the size of the pen. And on the band here, it says TWSBI on it. Does say, yep, TWSBI Eco. Screw, or yeah, screw. So this is the cap right here. Has another area where the ink won't dry up. Wow, it's a really nice. That's the nib right there. It has a symbol and it says Eco on it. That's the feed. It's a black feed. The Monteverde Mazda had a clear feed on it, but this has just a black feed on it, which I'm fine with. And I think that's an M right there that says Medium Nib. And this is the piston filler right here. It's really nice. I'm so glad that I got it. So glad. Right, so I'm gonna put this back. Put the silicone grease back. I don't need these at the moment. Put that in there. So that is the TWSBI Eco. So now I'm gonna unbox the actual ink. So I got a bottle of ink. I didn't have to get a bottle of ink. I thought I'll get a bottle of ink. That's fine. will go with my new pen. And I think this is by Monteverde as well. It's a small bottle of ink. I think it's only 30 millimeters, which is not a lot, but if I like the ink, I think this particular ink only comes in this size. But if I like the ink, then I'll buy one. So it is, yeah, Monteverde blue color. And this is the bottle right here. It's only 30 millimeters. So let's see. It's a really cute bottle. These can really be collectible bottles. Even when the ink gets out of it, you can really just have it up there. So fountain pen ink with ITF technology. And I'll just open it up for now. A little bit of ink in there. It's a really, really dark blue color, which I really, really like. I think I mentioned that blue and purple is my favorite color. So I'm going to get some paper towels and get my notepad, and I'm going to ink this up and then see how it writes. So give me 1 second. I'll put 2 down just in case. Got my pad, my Rhodia dot grid pad that I actually got from Michael's. It is, okay. So I know that you have to bring the piston down. So it goes clockwise and then counterclockwise to bring it up. And go clockwise to bring it down all the way to the end. Okay, put that there. The ink is going to be a little, let's see if I can do this on camera, make sure I can see. So you bring the piston down, you insert the nib into the ink. Yeah, so I'm inserting that nib. And so I'm going to stop here and then insert it back out. Just, I'm probably not doing this correctly. Again. Let's see. I already got ink on my fingers. Yay. Alright, so put this to the side here. I'm going to close this up. And what you're supposed to do is use a paper towel to wipe off the extra bits. And I gotta wipe off this part because I got some. Do it back on for now. Okay, I'm gonna move this paper towel out the way. All right, I'm getting ink on, but it's fine. So this is my pad here. Bring you guys back down. Okay, so it pulls really well. It literally, oops, it pulls right here. Oh, that's really, really nice. Okay, special edition. Medium Nib. really like. Now, also considering getting the TWSBI Eco T. It has a different grip section here. But, I don't know. I like how this is feeling. You guys can see that. I probably would get the fine nib, the TWSBI Eco, the transparent blue, and the medium nib. I really like it. I just have to get used to using it and figuring out how to get as much ink in here. I know there's ways to, Goulet Pens has some ways with like in like a syringe and stuff like that. I gotta look into that, but yeah. So I'm gonna put this to the side. And right, so yes, that's my unboxing of the TWSBI Eco Transparent Blue in the medium nib and the ink that I got with it as well. I really hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will link the Goulet Pens website where I got this pen at and the ink. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you later.